nasunod naman ng TV, di ba? Tsaka kinuha na lahat ng schedule. Pero it was a phenomenal teleserye na talaga naman dun sila kinapitan, and now we're gonna see them in a movie. Direct, anong inspiration mo? First rom-com mo to, di ba? Marubdo ba mga teleserye ginawa mo eh? As a rom-com director, anong inspiration? Paano mo pinipare ang sarili mo na, teka, first movie?
Yes po,
First movie, tapos rom-com. Tapos sa teleserye mo kasi lahat mabigat.
Oo, yung mga, like for example, yung teleserye, yun nga, tama nga si Sir EJ, yung lahat ng teleserye ko mas more of yung drama, melodrama. And then, siguro naman, hindi rin ako nahirapan kasi Star Cinema baby ako. At yung nung creative assistant ako, yung may mga nasulat rin ako na rom-com. Nag-provide ako ng additional screenplay dun sa Juday Piolo na Till There Was You. And then, yung kina John Hart na my first romance sa mga Sandara dati na movies.
So you work with Miss Carmen na rin pala before?
Yes po, sa My Big Love ni Tony and Sam. So yun po.
Yung mga creative managers, Vanessa, you work with Miss Vanessa na,
yes,
or Chris Gasman, ganyan?
Yes, si Vanessa at si Chris. Yes, opo.
Opo.
Yun, so, and basically inspiration ko naman is sometimes, diba, you get a little part of your personality and you inject it in the character of the characters of the movie. So parang feeling ko yung the way yung kilig dito, parang feeling ko very ako yung medyo repressed yung character. Repressed kilig, yung pigil pero deep inside internal, tapos hanggang sa bumuka, parang ganon. So
sino yung pigil? Liza or Ken? Liza. Kailangan pala mahusay na nagampanan.
Sophia Boboron.
Okay, thanks Direk. Okay, more question. This is interesting. Ayan si Ning for
you.
Yun.
Hello, I'm Ning. What is the objective of this film? Everybody can answer.
Objective in terms of...
On your opinion, for people na manonood nito.
When we created it, we just wanted to make a very light-hearted na romance movie. And then, sabi ko nga kanina kasi, di ba, iba kasi nangyari kay Liza and Enrique. Bigla, grabe, di ba? Phenomenal yung naging response ng tao sa Forevermore. And so, naturally, di ba, yung objective mo nung simula nung pelikula, nadagdagan. Kasi di ba, kailangan mong mag-respond dun sa naging response sa kanila ng tao. Grabing minahal yung Forevermore. Grabe silang nagkaroon ng identity, di ba? Alam na ng mga tao kung ano yung minamahal nila kay Liza at Enrique. And because of that, nadagdagan. Lumaki yung objective din ng pelikula. Na-retain yung gusto pa rin natin, syempre, di ba? Pinaka-sincere, maghatid ng isang magandang kwento. Di ba? Nakikiligin ka, matatawa ka, kukurutin yung puso mo. At the end of the day, we want the movie, we want Liza and Enrique, yung story nila, to tell the viewers na, ay, ang sarap magmahal. Diba? Ganon, worth it. So, okay.
Ayan, masarap daw magmahal, Mami Jo.
Oo, Mami Jo.
Go ahead, Annie.
For Liza, how can people relate in your character?
People relate. A lot of people can relate to my character kasi, first of all, sa family. She has family issues, and I'm sure there is no perfect family without issues. That is one. Sa love naman, Sophia kasi is the type of person who at first didn't have time for love. Tapos, along the way, syempre, when you get to know a person, parang, you start to fall once once you find out how sincere that person is to you, once that person becomes nice and does sweet things for you. So, feeling ko the journey to falling in love with a person, makaka-relate sila dun. And, syempre, pag nasaktan yung mga ganun.
Thank you. And for Direk, in general, how can people relate to this movie?
For me, they can relate to this movie because lahat naman tayo, di ba, parang kapag nagmahal tayo, hindi natin alam kung ilan o magkano yung itataya natin sa pag-ibig.
Ayan na.
So, pag napanood mo yung movie, yun, mapapaisip ka, ibibigay mo ba ng buong-buong sarili mo or magtitira ka ng piraso para sa sarili mo. Parang ganun. So makaka-relate sila doon. Aside from that, parang feeling ko relatable siya kasi yung family, yung sinabi nila isa ng family, bawat si Ken at yung character ni Sophia and Drake, they both have family issues na dahil doon naapektuhan yung view nila on love. At ganoon din naman tayo. Kung anong background natin sa pamilya, dun nagiging ganun yung pananaw natin sa pag-ibig. So, makaka-relate sila nun.
And for Liza, my last question. Since kayo na ni Ken, Liz Ken is the parang epitome of forever. Dito ba sa movie na to, parang makikita rin ba nila yon yung forever na nakita nila sa Forevermore? Good vibes ba siya na movie? Or...
Opo naman. Mas maraming kilig moments, mas maraming happy moments, funny moments, kesa sa yung mga sabi ni Scarry Kurot sa puso na moments.
Okay, thank you and
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ning. Okay, ayan na. Go ahead, please. Your name and your blog site, please.
Hi, I'm Adam